for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Ranger. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.3-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, 4-wheel drive, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, security system, MP3 player, lane departure warning, cruise control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.